Hello guys, let me quickly show you how to turn a photo into a sticker on your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. But before we start, don't forget to follow to see more useful content. So let's open Gallery first and choose a photo which we want to transfer in a sticker. So for example this one. So let's press and hold this car and now click Save as Sticker. Here we can change a style of this sticker, but I'm gonna remain original. And now click Done. Great. Now let's choose another photo, this one for example, and click this little pen icon. Then click here, then on Stickers, in the middle of the screen. And now, right here. And let's choose our sticker. So we can adjust its size. We can turn it left or right, and we can even double it. We can remove this sticker, and when you're done, just click this Save button and confirm this step. Just like this. You can even send this sticker to your friends in any messenger, for example in Telegram. So let's click right here on the left side, then click on plus, and now choose our sticker and then confirm this step and send. So that's all. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you so much for watching.